How to open VoiceOver Quick Settings on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on VoiceOver. At the top here, tap on VoiceOver to switch it on. Once VoiceOver is turned on, then if you want to quickly open up the VoiceOver Quick Settings, all you have to do is to use two fingers and quadruple tap on the screen. So quickly tap on the screen 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will allow you to quickly open up the VoiceOver settings. In here, you can select an item and then use 3 fingers to swipe up or down to go to the next item like that. And that's it. So in here you can tap on an item and you can double tap to turn it on, or you can turn it off. Then tap on done to close that. And that's it. So that is how you can open the VoiceOver Quick Settings. If you want to include or exclude shortcuts from the VoiceOver Quick Settings, you can go into Settings. In Settings, we go to VoiceOver. And here I will scroll down and then tap on Quick Settings. Double tap on that. From here, you can choose which items to include in the Quick Settings shortcut. So let's say if you want to remove hints, you can double tap on that to deselect hints and it will not appear in the Quick Settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.